To graph on the TI-84 using the stat plot, statistical plotting, it's recommended that you reset first. So you do a second plus 7, 1, 2, and that will clear your stat list. It'll make the window go back to a standard window. So the next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go ahead and go to our stat list. So you hit stat, then you go to the first one, which is edit. Under edit, hit enter, and we will go ahead and put in L1. We will put our X values from our XY ordered pairs. So I'm going to put in 0, enter, -2, enter. Be sure to use the negative key and not the subtraction key. 3, enter, -3, enter, 2, enter, and 0, enter. Then you go over, put the cursor one to the right, use the right cursor, go up to the top of L2, which is Y, and we'll now put our Y coordinates. -4, enter. No, excuse me, that should be 5. Enter. -4, enter. 0, enter. 2, enter. -4, enter. 5, enter. If you notice, we start with 0, 5, and we will create points that are connected by lines, and then it'll come right back to our starting point. If you go to second y equals, we can turn on the stat plot. Notice that plot 1, 2, and 3 are off. We are only going to use 1, and we are going to use L1 for X and L2. So if you hit enter, you go into plot 1. Notice that off is selected. We are on blinking, so if I hit enter, now on is selected. And if we go down to the type, we want to go to the second one, which is going to, right now we're just going to, it shows that we're going to do points only, but we want to do points with a connected line. So we go over 1, hit enter. We don't want to change L1, we don't want to change L2. On the mark, let's go to a small point that's all the way to the right and hit enter. Now our stat plot is set. So we will now, since we have all that set, we can go ahead and push the graph button, and we will see a star. If you hit the trace button, you can see the points that we entered. We started with 0, 5. I hit the right arrow. We'll go to -2, -4. Then if I hit the right arrow again, then we go to 3, 0. Then if I hit it again, -3, 2. If I hit it again, +2, -4. And then I go right back to 0, 5. And we have now created a star.